Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both devices. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging on your phone. This lets Android Studio see it. Install Android Studio and the SDK platform tools, and make sure the Android SDK version matches your app target. Once done, connect the phone with a reliable USB cable and choose File Transfer Mode when prompted. This avoids MTP confusion. Make sure your phone screen is unlocked, because you will need to accept the RSA prompt that authorizes debugging. You now configure Android Studio to target your device. Open your project, confirm the target SDK and build variant, and click the device selector. Your phone should appear there. If it does, press Run to build and install the APK. Android Studio uses ADB to push the app. While installing, watch the Run window and logcat for errors or permission prompts. If Gradle builds slowly, use build right arrow clean and then rebuild, and make sure background processes aren't consuming CPU. You finish by testing the installed app and verifying real device behavior. Interact with features, grant runtime permissions, and monitor logcat for runtime exceptions. This confirms the app behaves like on users' phones. If the device disappears, restart ADB from terminal with a DB kill server and a DB start server, and then reconnect. That solves most detection issues. Make sure to try a different USB cable or enable wireless ADB over TCP/IP if hardware ports are flaky.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.